Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the world of creating and editing Spotify road trip playlists. Whether you're using your phone or the website, we've got some easy steps to make your car rides even more enjoyable. Let's get started. For mobiles, open the Spotify app and go to your library. Tap plus icon to make a new playlist. Name it as desired. Add songs you enjoy for road trips by tapping the plus icon. To edit, go to your library and tap the playlist. For website, go to the Spotify website and make sure you are logged in. Click plus icon to make a new playlist. Name it as desired. Add songs you enjoy for road trips by clicking the plus icon. To edit, go to your library and click the playlist. And that's how you craft the perfect road trip playlist on Spotify. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more fun tips. Safe travels and happy tunes.